The term most powerful pastor in the world can be subjective and varies based on influence, reach, and interpretation of what powerful means, whether it's in terms of congregation size, social influence, or theological impact. Some pastors are recognized globally for their work in different areas, such as evangelism, church leadership, and media presence. Here are a few names often mentioned in discussions around influential pastors. 1. Bishop David Uppo, Nigeria. Founder of Living Faith Church Worldwide, also known as Winners Chapel. His ministry runs one of the largest church congregations in the world, and he is considered one of the wealthiest pastors globally. 2. Joel Osteen, United States. Pastor of Lakewood Church in Houston, Texas, one of the largest Christian congregations in the world. His television ministry and best-selling books reach millions of people. 3. T.D. Jakes, United States. Bishop of the Potter's House, a large non-denominational church in Dallas, Texas. Jakes is a renowned speaker, author, and filmmaker with a significant media presence. 4. Pope Francis, Vatican. While not a pastor in the evangelical sense, Pope Francis, as the head of the Roman Catholic Church, holds spiritual influence over more than 1 billion Catholics worldwide. 5. Billy Graham, United States, now deceased. Although he passed away in 2018, Billy Graham was considered one of the most influential Christian leaders of the 20th century. His evangelistic missions reached millions globally. Power in this context could be financial, spiritual, or social, depending on one's viewpoint.